How to make your specific person miss you badly using the power of shamanic tapping and release. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, have you ever wondered how you could get into alignment easily with your specific person? I mean, you've heard me and other coaches on the internet talk about getting into alignment, but how do you do it? Shamanic tapping is an easy way you can do it, and it will literally begin to change your vibrational alignment instantly. But first, I've got to tell you that December 19th, the weekend of the winter solstice, I'd like you to spend 2 hours with me. Now, this is catching on like wildfire. We don't even have a website up yet. So I'd like you to take advantage of this opportunity. Get in on it now because we are 62% filled up already. And that's without a website. Look at, we're going to do 2 hours of powerful alignment and quantum tunneling where we literally shift your vibration, shift your timeline. And I and my manifesting team will be manifesting for you. We will literally help you draw whatever it is you desire, as long as it's legal and as long as it doesn't hurt anyone, to you: money, love, prosperity. Now, we've had tremendous success over the years, but this is like 1,000 times more potent and more powerful than ever before. So I urge you to go to iwillmanifestforyou.com. iwillmanifestforyou.com. There's no fancy website there yet. There will be, but right now is the best time to claim your spot before they're all gone. Last year, we had, I don't know, maybe 350 people that we had to turn away. We don't want to do that this year. So get registered now. iwillmanifestforyou.com. So your specific person doesn't miss you because of what you text, or because of what you post, or because of what you put on your Instagram page. They miss you because they crave your energy. It's your energy, it's your vibration, it's your magnetism, it's your confidence, it's your peace, it's your sexuality, it's your beauty. All of that is what they miss the most. And we're going to amplify that through shamanic tapping and release. You see, when you are in a scarcity mentality, when you are attached and anxious and obsessive and waiting for them and all of that kind of stuff, your vibration says, I don't have them. I'm incomplete. I'm not worth it. But when you shift to self assurance, to personal power, to confidence, when you begin to radiate magnetism and love and sensuality and power and confidence and all of these positive qualities, then you literally draw them to you. Just rope them right in. It's not about distance. It's not about silence. Some people say, well, I haven't talked to them in such a period of time. I'm giving them the silent treatment. No, it's not about that at all. It's about vibrational contrast and alignment. You see, the contrast is this: when they're near you, they feel an energetic upgrade. Do you feel an energetic upgrade when you're near them? Well, the whole idea is to help them feel an energetic upgrade when they're near you. So, what is shamanic tapping and release? This is something that Rachel and I created. It's a variation of EFT, the emotional freedom technique, and shamanic energy alignment. And it's powerful, it's effective, and it works. While traditional tapping clears emotional blocks through meridian points, shamanic tapping adds the element of intention, rhythm, and energetic resonance. You're not just calming your nervous system, you're reprogramming your field to broadcast I am love. I am desired. I am magnetic. Now, you can do this practice once or twice a day, ideally when you feel needy, but you can do it just as a regular habit, kind of like brushing your teeth. It's that easy to do, it's that quick, and it's that effective. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Take a couple of deep breaths. Relax your interior spirit, and then begin tapping your heart center. Just like this. Just tap your heart center. Feel your energy softening, expanding outward. Feel yourself becoming more magnetic. Feel them desiring you, wanting you, loving you, craving you. And now begin tapping right about here. And say these words: I am whole and magnetic. My energy draws love to me effortlessly. I am whole and magnetic. My energy draws love to me effortlessly. My vibration radiates confidence, peace, and beauty, and my specific person feels it deeply. My vibration radiates confidence, peace, and beauty, and my specific person feels it deeply. I am the source of love, and that love naturally calls my person closer. I am the source of love, and that person naturally calls my person closer, 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 closer. Every cell in my body is tuned to divine attraction. I am desired, remembered, and missed. Every cell in my body is tuned to divine attraction. And I am desired, remembered, and missed. I am whole and magnetic. My energy draws love to me effortlessly. That feels good. I am whole and magnetic. My energy draws love to me effortlessly. Right on the collarbone there. My vibration radiates confidence, peace, and beauty, and my specific person feels it deeply. My vibration radiates confidence, peace, and beauty, and my specific person feels it deeply. I am the source of love, and that love naturally calls my person closer. I am the source of love, I am the source of love. And that love naturally calls my person closer. And now, just rub your hands together. Rub them together. Create a little ball of energy. A ball of shamanic light. A ball of magnetism. Magnetic. 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 And now take the ball above your head and pull it down over your body. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. And high flyers, that's all there is to it. Now, you can use this video or you can create your own incantations while you're doing this technique, but do it with me for at least a week. Do it with me at least a week, once a day, preferably twice a day. And you're going to be literally amazed at what happens to you, to your life, to your relationship. You're going to love the way you feel. I mean that. Be sure and share your results down below. I love reading that stuff. Thank you so much. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it.